In this video, I'm going to show you how to add services in Google My Business. So, first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in My Business. From here, you will see a message over here which says you manage this business profile, and you want to click View Profile over here next to your business name. So, click on this, and then from here, as you can see, there's a button which says Edit Services. You want to click on this, and then from here, you will see your primary category, and then you can add in custom service. So you just click Add Custom Service and add in, for example, let's say I'm gonna do tutorials because I do tutorials, and then you can click Save. And then once you click this, as you can see, you've added your custom service. If you click Add More Services, you can do so for more different services. So let's say how-tos, and then Save. And just like that, more services have been added. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.